Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to pay Mint Mobile monthly. Firstly, visit mintmobile.com as it may lead to other results if you search it on Google. Click on the sign in button, enter your email and password associated with your Mint Mobile account. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your Mint Mobile dashboard. Look for the My Plan section and click Renew Now if you want to keep your current plan. If you want to change plans, go to the Manage Plan tab on the left and select a new plan, which is monthly. Select your preferred payment method and review the payment details, then click Confirm to complete your transaction. To avoid missing payments, enable auto-renewal in your Renew account settings. This will ensure your plan renews automatically every month. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.